my enemies come forth. Weak I am to face them. Na onyankopon emma na kwankyere se. Mudi amukwa munko hide in the valley. Ewo bonhwanim. Mu hide wo mu a. Just keep calm. Na monhwe die besi. Enti Jehoshaphat and the army of the Israelites and the Israelites eko hide wo bonhwanum no mo hwe die asafo Awurade beye. And in Sri Lanka asafo Awurade din say atamfo o mabasa o mu no mo beko no o mo ankasa twa wo mo ho confusion epiem o mo ekunkum o mo ho nyina. And this is what the God of Nanado is doing in the NDC camp. And the battle is the Lord's, so no. This is just a tip of the iceberg. More will come. We have information. More will come. You see, I catch you almost say, Momu Jani Nambum. A woman, no more Bakwa Betum. Near Yaquine, I discuss it, near elaborate upon, near a man for how wicked the NDC as a political party is. Near Ghana for what ye, the Kunkurasi. Ya tete bobo ya so bomu de wuro kromu ne de MPP for munyai kromu no because kromu no sebi previous amenka so obiti enkurasi anu wajim kromu no omo education level no ye high wo krom enti wuntimi mfa na dan bia nkodada obi owo ho na yenua no omo wo nkurasi omo nim de ekọ de ba yenwurawura ho ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu se de motini nyina o magisika enti wo de so wonye sika okasa manimfa dance yemra mpanifo so utumra no akyeresie enti obi be kan na do ho asembone a manintumre no a owi a maninkyerɛsie se sie we so na mtumre no ne nyina ye nkɔhwɛ ampa enti journalism na ukoka obi you are doing a fantastic job but most style of journalism ne de whack a cake bogus obi of Asampa FM. My style of journalism a cake. What type of journalism is journalism? No, my is a referee. And sometimes it pains me say, Meti say, Obi say, I leave it to the Ghanaians to judge. Meanwhile, Kotokone has a bobo na referee ujinem finfi. Na has near Chakotoko player buni name was I leave it to the spectators. Would you a referee na ujina ho? Na kotokonye chahasi ni o piano. Where that reminds me of Joe Henry's Kotoko legend. Emre na Kotoko has a bobo. And you beha ye chief priest. Who read the Bible what they be na ye prophet. Aka no ho. And this a what you ho. And then ye Bible no. Who kote ho. It's not our Bible. And the Bible is a good book. Read it and get yourself equipped. Why? Mo be am better now. And the Constitution will be because John Dramani Mama Umofia prophet Jefferson. Akoya momo aringa yo meya ye kokan say any weakness. Ufun. Na jagezi se geza o se gezi o se wan no. Ebe shem kom say ohun Masa, who did me a witty who be you? A whom crack our witty who be. Who imagine be create me by so, and till I'm paying for Cassabi say the awareness one and pimpy a decodine. And I know they were just by the way. I will some more measure that out by life and mathematically made me board basi me chiha. Naya ye, near TTBF from Nabon said, O Mampany that John Dramani Mama were dinning Nina as president, were dear send your bad performance and competent performance plan and fanema constitution no ke man intimi ntena akunya no so biom to where they are mama bye bye uko that was just and the man we say me bad journalism no so biom and this utimi kwatena from say $2,000 how much is $2,000 yemfanto na brantie we semansa boy so ya brantie so ya kokora you can't tell. Etimi betena ho di na do danko akufu ado atem sebi wabusu ya panyin po na do agyanan ewa animonyam chen wabusu ya panyin Me say this you know dear ye no mo kon mu gamu me say na no do agya nan kura wa animunyam e chen wa busu apan o papa wuni ene wo sen so omo betima sua de abaye president ni bio nti encourage omo no omo embe sua de no omo bedi na e fa sa nyansa no mo ko jisika apia stadium will never under any circumstance lie between try to John Dramani Mahama. So no, we've listened to him, we followed him for some time, we know. So on yes that and the old channel home back a damage control. The God of Nana Addo is still at work, so the battle is still the Lord's. Yeah, me kai Bible mu asembia isi ya King Jehoshaphat. Na tamfo ban so. Now he believed and trusted in God. And he ojemuada e bompa yesu guasafora. This will say, oh,
the wine a sebi. What criticizing Rollins government? Because no him say we Jimmy for. Because yeah, Papa Rollins, me say Rollins there me wow. Sometimes me blame no. But some Papa no me say kawa manka ye wu. Because anka wankasa mama ye wo wow do be kwa koje brode and I say mo. Because the greed in the Ghana man and the Ghana woman's heart is too much to the point where you needed a hand like Rollins to fuck these people up. Even though he went overboard. Even though say Rollins, to be honest, they were a bit humane. But also rational or the year na here because one preko in Pateku to say one baby to say one or don't go free fa. Sakwa siana what tongue not jine. What doing say life one is about you Fuquasia about you be the rob best runner. So what doing say about you say now when and Hannah who shall put it this and crassy form by you away Lego for man and then you do a member yet now you're about to me as Rebbe. Jimmy for incompetent fool. Look how many radio stations and TV stations you are rotating. Because of your stinking attitude and your unkeptness, how stupidity you think, how serious you don't even see real issues into. You cannot be what cool to anyone who is above you. You cannot be cool to your you cannot subdue yourself. Baby, I will be any apamon. Kotina happy with intentions there and Kekufu adombra. Non kasa sabi wa bodu ye fenti bra bedis kodi wa boa papa sika wuji ye ni na wata de toto ye kura de sabi we ntumi ampam wo se ye nso awo Jimmy for wuti we e ma sabi wa brom wo wi ase okuku so nye wo girlfriend bi a wa fa ne bia o dwan free fa no wa bo no pen no no de me se me one day politics yao because one day you be share the way I'm in America, the same way as I'm conforming for them, I will never make peace with those people. No matter what they change to be.